Para el L.E.V traemos nuestro tercer proyecto audiovisual, que se llama CRISPR, The Pattern of Life, es nuestro estreno. Este proyecto trata sobre la edición genética de esta herramienta que es CRISPR. Nuestra idea es intentar salir de un proyecto audiovisual simplemente contemplativo.
Nuestro objetivo es que en los espectáculos pues generemos una reflexión en el público. Intentamos intercalar momentos divulgativos a través de un viaje visual y sonoro con momentos de reflexión e inmersión visual.
Es un festival de referencia que lleva 18 años. El mejor sitio donde poder presentar un espectáculo de este tipo, electrónico y visual, en laboratorio.
Questa azione che precede la violenza dell'installazione è molto rituale. Le parole cominciano a diventare solo delle immagini. È un'installazione e anche un lavoro che è sul concetto di linguaggio, parla del linguaggio e sulla violenza che provoca.
L.E.V is a hybrid identity. Here at L.E.V we are presenting Distrust Everything, where visitors explore the dreamscape of Mirja Kardikar. We used a dataset of 21 years of dream report transcripts to produce a new dream through machine learning to bring the audience within the perspective of the dream.
Second Self is a project about our relationship to living in a very digital world and how it kind of changes the way we are human, just kind of like contemplating this different species that we're becoming. In the performance, we're kind of exploring all of these themes, but through a very audiovisual mindset.
The state of the process is to go from human, non-human, and virtual and physical. The second self is also a way to find ourselves within this in-between mixed reality.
I present an installation called Our Lord, and this artwork is about solar observation. This is an audiovisual installation based on the relationship between visual and sound. Light rays that draw a new architecture as if the sun radiates in the venue.
Podríamos estar cerca de una experiencia al borde de la muerte, de revivir, reinventarnos.
It's an AR installation piece, but it's also a performance, I would say. It's a giant creature above our heads. Tardigrades were here 600 million years ago. They're also threatened by the climate change. I love the fact that it's in a public space. It talks to the people, and it also comes with some food for thought.
I really think that the clubs in general are one of the last Western ritualistic communal practice. It's a show that is specially conceived to initiate a mental trance. And I think for me it's very important to bring back music to its essential use and practice, connecting us to higher dimensional realms.